Hello. I am going to show you the educational app that I really like. Um, it is Wisey, wisey.org. It is AI generated, and I think it is a really nice resource tool um, for educational purposes and for like if you're doing public speaking on like certain topics. Without further ado, I'm going to go in and show you why I like it so much. All right, so basically, you can get started for free. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in here. And it takes you to where you can create your quiz or create an assignment. I teach first graders, so I'm going to do like reading sentences for first graders. I'm really big on them learning how to read, so we have a reading circle. I'll push next. And then it gives you a choice of what you would like to use to create your questions. You can add text, a file, or just choose a topic and let the AI do the rest. Let's just go with the topic and allowing AI to do the rest for you. And the cool part about this is that the number of questions you can select. In this case, I'm going to keep it, at 5. You have a question type, multiple choice, short answer, true or false, mix of everything. We can do a mix of everything. And then it has the reading age. Kindergarten year 1, first grade year 2, and it goes all the way down to adult. So if there's like adult learners that you may be teaching in an adult class for, like I said, like for giving a presentation. It has the tools for that. It's really cool. So in this case, I'm going to, of course, pick the first grade, year 2, and let's just do, you have a choice of easy, medium, or hard, easy to hard. I'm just going to go with medium for right now. It creates the quiz. And as it's generating the questions, it tells you to hang tight. It gives you a preview, selection, share, and export. And this is your answer key that it already creates the questions for you and has the answers already selected for you to have. You can go ahead and share that and do a copy link. And so you'll have that link copied, and then you would export it. And you can use printable worksheets or Google Forms. In this case, I will do the Google form, and then it takes me to reading sentences for first graders. And then on this, which is really cool, it has this is what you would have in the your Google form, the questions that you created, and on the side here, it gives you, if you want the choice to add a question, import more questions, to add title to description. You can do an image and an end video, and then you can do a section. And then once you have created that, you also have the key for responses, waiting for, there's your scores and responses where you put your email, where they can send responses to, probably for the older kids. Then you have the settings tab, and it lets you know you're making this a quiz immediately after submission, and then it tells you how many questions were missed, correct answers, and defaults questions. All right. And once you finish with all that, then you would just send it. Okay, and you can send it. Give you the choice of the for your email. A link, an embed, and for time's sake, I would just go ahead and probably send it to my work email and click that at the bottom, and then you should have everything to your email. So I think this is a good tool to have. You can do reading, English, math, social studies, you name it. All you have to do is type in the topic and it pulls up what you need, and you can make the accommodations. If you have students that are that are IEPs that have an instructional education plan, you can make those accommodations. Also, they can have one test and versus them trying to figure out something that might be a little bit more complex for them. And those that might be a little more advanced, you can select maybe a higher grade reading level or math level depending on your students. So it is very teacher and student friendly, and I hope you like it as much as I do. All right, thanks. Bye.